Hi, good morning guys. I'm not too well today. Literally I've got tonsillitis. I'm just recovering, but you know, because we're doing something special today, I thought, you know what, let me just vlog it. I'll try to speak as loud as I can. Have you guys been doing well? It's been hard for me. I've been off work for about a week now, but I've been prescribed with penicillin, and I've been taking a lot of painkillers because yeah, I've been in a lot of pain, guys. Like, it's not like me to get sick, but when I get sick, I get sick. Like, I'm a worker, you guys know I work Monday to Saturday, so it's like no time off, and I have to take like a week off. But yeah, so I'm literally going for a cervical screening today. It's quite important to keep up with your appointments if they do send you appointments to go for cervical screening. I think they do it every 4 years, and I'm due my next one now. Afterwards, I just need to go to the post office, pick up some bits and bobs. I have to go to the Swedish embassy, pick up my passport, and then we're gonna go costume hunting. Yeah, so anyway, let's go. Hey guys, I've just came from the Swedish embassy. I've collected my passport. That went well. It was a bit of a queuing up because it seemed like there was quite a few people in there today. I've only got one issue. So basically, when I went to park the car, there was no signs of parking. You know me, sometimes I'm fearless, but this fearless, I don't know if it's called stupidness rather than fearless. So basically, when I went to park the car, I saw a parking bay, but there was no sign that I could park there, and I was like, bruh. But long story short, so I decided I wanted to park there anyway to risk it because my dumb self ain't got anything else to do. So I decided to bite the bullet because there was no parking. Central London is freaking expensive to park. It's like £5 a freaking hour to park it. So I was like, nah. I just found this shop that had like a parking bay. I think it's a loading bay because the parking space is quite large. But listen, no one told me nothing. So actually, I need to go get a charger because my phone is dying. I'm gonna see if this shop got, because I came here on TomTom. Let me just check. Yeah, no, they didn't have it. Anyway, so I was saying, what was I saying? You know when you're talking, you get interrupted. I'm like, yeah, I don't remember what I was saying. Basically, yeah. So I came here on 50% battery. Don't ask me why. It's now on 15. And the thing is, I've set my phone that. Ooh, oh my god, look at that chair. Oh my god, I need that chair in my life. Easily distracted. Anyways, so yeah, what was I saying? Anyways, I see you in the car, I can't talk. Guys, I got the blow fire cable. I just went into like a shop just down there, and they had the cable, and I was screaming. I was like, thank you, I love you, I love you. I'm like, listen, I don't want to touch congestion charge, but yeah, I'm going home now. Yes. Oh my god, so we are headed to Hackney now. I'm going to try my superhero outfit. Please excuse me, as I said, I'm sick today. But yeah, I'm gonna go to Hackney now, where I'm gonna try out some superhero outfits. Oh my god, I should have taken you guys with me yesterday. So we went to the seamstress that were recommended to us, Jamaican lady. Like, I'm not questioning her talent or anything, but so for the next music video we're doing for superhero, this woman, for a kimono, like literally for a kimono, she wanted like £100 to sew it. I'm like, listen, I can buy a kimono for like £30, so why are you charging me to sew a kimono for £100? And that's not even with the material. But please let me know if I'm crazy. Does it cost £90 to a simple kimono? You know, just a wrap. It's like literally a robe. Does it cost £100 to sew a robe? Please let me know if I'm actually mad. Lucky's outfit. So he's got this Black Panther theme. So I'm saying Black Panther theme, but it's not really Black Panther theme. It's literally a kaftan, a male kaftan with trousers, and it's got like embroidery in the middle. So we bought the embroidery. It's literally just for her to sew on. For that, this woman, I kid you not, she wanted £300. This is the second one, but it's got, you know, when it don't fit in something, you look like a balloon, so I have no shape. What is it meant to look like? Obviously. So I'm gonna create my own instead. I've got cat suits in black, so I'll probably just zhuzh something. Hey guys, so you know what's up, you know we're back in studio, back in the same game. You know what's about to happen, we're about to record some music and stuff, so yeah, let's get to it.
Wait, I need to take off my shirt, it's getting warm.
Listen, I had to unbutton this thing, I'm wearing the wrong clothes.
Don't worry about that. Alright, just do it.
Okay. Vem kan segla förutan vind? Vem kan rå utan åror? Vem kan flyga från vännen sin utan att fälla tårar?
Inte sin i slutet. Vännen min is my friend.
I feel like I'm in a damn choir.
Yeah. Don't act like it's that like that.
I feel like I'm in Ronja Roberto. I don't know this song. It's like giving me like I feel like I'm in a boat.
Jag min.
Bitch.
Oh, wow.
Bitch, this is my time. I got this shit booked from 10 to 6. Okay, shut up. Shut up. Thank you.
Damn.
Nigga gonna come here with, oh, okay. Oh, he think. Oh, you think so, right? You think you can do this job better than me, right? Okay, cool. Cool.
Damn. Damn.
Wow, okay. He trying me. Oh, he trying me.